I'm Rosie, and I'll guide you through the simple steps to register your license key. It only takes a few minutes, and once you're done, you'll have everything ready for fast and secure remote access. First of all, check your inbox. You'll receive an email with a link to set your password for myanydesk.com within a few minutes. If you didn't get it yet, go ahead and refresh your inbox, check your spam folder, and make sure you're checking the same email address that you used during purchase. While you wait for the email, let's get ahead a little bit. Download and install the AnyDesk client on your device from our official website. Just head over to the download page, click on Download Now, and follow the installation steps. Perfect timing, the email should be there now. Go to myanydesk.com by clicking the link that you received on your email and create a strong password. After logging into My AnyDesk 2 credentials that you just set up, go to the License tab, click Register License Key, and your license will be instantly registered. Alternatively, you can register your license directly inside the AnyDesk client. You can find your license key under the License tab in the My AnyDesk portal. Just go to My Account and either log in or paste the key manually. And remember, we're here to help anytime. If you need further assistance, visit our help center or contact us via chat or phone. You'll find all the details on myanydesk.com and on our website. You're also welcome to check out our user guides on our support page for more helpful tips. And that's it. You're all set. Your license key is registered, and you're ready to enjoy secure, reliable, remote connections with AnyDesk. Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing us.